Now another area in many garages that's completely untapped is all the space you have above a garage door. Now this garage door is 9 foot long, 8 foot deep, so there's a lot of space up there. And let's see exactly what all we have to work with. From the bottom of the joist to here at around 14 inches. So we'll build a few little brackets to kind of utilize this space. Perfect spot for the homeowner's ladders. The first concern here is to make sure that the garage door will clear whatever we build. In this case, it's really more of a rack than shelving. The vertical pieces will be our safe clearance height of 13 inches, plus the height of the joist, 5.5 inches. We screw the verticals to the horizontal pieces first so that all we have to do is attach them to the joist once we lift them into place. Now what you want to store on the rack and the spacings of your joist will determine how far apart these brackets should hang. That should work great for storage of ladders up above the garage door, but also some of the other long things that the homeowners may have, like pieces of lumber, maybe skis, boat oars, anything like that can be tucked away and utilized in this space up above. Now one thing the previous homeowners did that's really helping us out is when they installed fluorescent lights overhead, they actually recessed them to where it's flush with the bottom of the ceiling joist. By doing this, which is a good idea in any situation like this, it'll reduce the possibility of damage to any of the bulbs.